So for all those who are wondering, for a 2002 Lexus ES300, the cabin air filter is obviously behind this. And there's only 2 points really. You got one little screw to take off here. You just kind of hand screw it off. Another one in the corner. Pinch the tabs together. But you also have a screw here. So I'll take that off and I'll show you what's behind it. Oh, I also put some LEDs on my car for my turn signals, so I get hyper flash. I'm going to put this on fairly soon so I can have the warning light turn off and some sort of normalcy back to my car here.